Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. That saves time. On the TV, open Settings and go to Connection or Network quickly, then enable Screen Share or AirPlay depending on model. On your phone, tablet, or PC, make sure Wi-Fi is the same network as the TV. Same SSID and frequency band helps. Once done, keep the TV's screen share page visible so it can accept a pairing request. This prevents timeouts and speeds the next step. You now initiate the actual share. On Android, pull down Quick Settings, tap Cast or Smart View, then select the LG TV listed. Grant permissions if prompted. On iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and choose the LG TV. Enter the code shown on TV if asked. On Windows, press Windows plus K or Project from the Action Center, then connect to the LG device listed. Make sure notifications and sleep timers. You finish by verifying playback and audio synchronization. Adjust source volume and set full screen if needed. To stop sharing, disconnect from your device's cast controls or press Home on the TV. If you run into problems, first restart both devices, then confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi and that TV firmware is current. These two fixes resolve most issues. If it still fails, toggle the TV's screen share off and on and try reconnecting. That often clears pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.